on the fried bird, we couldn't put anything under the skin because the skin will burn off with the oil. But on this one, I've always made a compound butter to put flavoring in between the meat or flesh of the bird and the skin of the bird. Is I'm going to finely dice a half an onion, into a half a cup of butter, This is Herbes de Provence. It has a lot of nice seasonings that I enjoy: rosemary, thyme, some fennel seeds, and that's a flavor that I really want in my turkey. Then it's as simple as taking a regular fork and mashing it together. This butter's been softened in the last 2 or 3 hours. I cut it into pads and left it on the counter, and it got this soft. Just needs a little bit of salt. Now that doesn't look like a lot, but that's a 1/4 cup for each breast. I think that's plenty. Okay, remember this butter we just made a minute ago? Let's split it in half. See if we can get under there again. It's a little stiffer, it's a little more delicate, so you want to be careful here. You just take a handful of that and try to get them as far back as you can. And it's just that simple. Yeah. Smell the onion and the garlic.